Okay, I have positive, negative, this black, white cable. I don't know what is it for. Um, what is it for? So this is a brushless controller connected to the motor, and here I have the switch which was taken away. Now I put both cables together, expecting the motor to spin. But sometimes it does, sometimes it just spins for a moment and then stops. Not sure what is going on. See, it's connected but not doesn't do anything. And stops. Ideas? Is the controller bad or what is going on? Because I was expecting just to remove the switches, the battery to power the controller, but it's not working.